dati gumagamit lang kami ng normal na water filtration system. But eventually, na-realize namin na mag-install na lang ng sarili namin sa loob ng shop.
Yun pala, kasi coffee is made up of 98%
Yes.
water. So, Carl, if you want to start your own coffee shop, you need to take the coffee entrepreneur.
Yes, yung CEM level.
Hi guys, good morning. So, welcome to our first episode of Aquali Talks. So, today we're here with Sir Franz Gallio.
Hi, I'm Franz Carl Gallio. I am the coffee mentor and the president and the founder of Philippine Coffee and Barista Institute.
So, welcome, Sir Carl. And to go to our first question, Sir Carl, so can you tell us briefly what Philippine Coffee and Barista Institute is all about?
Si Philippine Coffee and Barista
Barista Institute is a formal training center for coffee. So we started it in 2022. So we are focusing on trainings that are related sa coffee. Our flagship na course is yung Coffee Entrepreneurship Masterclass. We are trying to help out yung mga startup na coffee entrepreneurs or yung mga nagpa-plan na mag-put up ng mga coffee shops nila in setting up their own cafes. So we already have hundreds of students na nakapag-set up ng mga cafes nila from different parts of the country. We also have yung barista trainings namin. We are also the Espresso Academy campus na affiliate here sa Philippines.
So, kumbaga, sir, if you want to start your own coffee shop, no, or if you want to take barista lesson, we can take it here in Philippine Coffee and Institute.
Yes,
Barista Institute.
we have, for barista class, meron kaming local na certification, meron kami ding international na certifications.
So, for our next question naman, so what is your role here? What do you do on a daily basis here in the Institute?
So I'm the head trainer. I'm part of the whole team who does all the trainings. So usually, ako yung nag-handle ng mga business-related na courses. We have a team who also handles yung mga skills na training.
So, current question natin pala. So, how did you start this institute and why? What is it something about has to do with your passion, no, in starting or in dealing with coffee industry?
We started the training because of the need that we saw para matulungan yung mga startups. Because when we got into the coffee industry, nagsimula kami na mag-put up ng sarili naming coffee shop business. Siyempre, nung una, wala pa kaming masyadong alam. Hindi rin yung passion namin is not as how we are now. That eventually, when we were running our business, we saw na yung need na makatulong din sa ibang mga startups para hindi na mapagdaanan yung mga pinagdaanan namin when we were starting. Kasi as in, zero knowledge sa coffee, hindi namin alam kung ano yung mga dapat kailangang i-prepare for starting a cafe when we were starting the business. So eventually, nakita namin yung need na mag-train ng ibang mga tao or yung mga gusto mag-put up ng coffee shops nila. And also, syempre, yung mga employees nila para mapatakbo ng maayos yung mga coffee shops nila. Kaya kami napunta sa training. And siguro nakita namin yung passion namin dito in teaching people and in parang influencing others to really become better na baristas, better na entrepreneurs as well.
Thank you for sharing that, Sir Carl. So, I'm very inspired with what you said. Actually, yun nga, there are so many coffee shops na naglalagay ngayon. And I also believe that there are needs, no, when it comes to starting up coffee shops. No? Siyempre, in starting up your own business, madami kang pinagdadaanan. So, with this workshop, no, of course, matutulungan nila tayo. They will be able to help us to go through the right process, no, in starting up your own coffee shop, anything that has to do with coffee. So, Carl, going to our next question. No? So, going to the water part naman, before you had the Aquali Pure system, so ano yung ginagamit natin?
Dati gumagamit lang kami ng normal na water filtration system. But when we were starting, nag-order lang din kami sa mga water refilling stations.
Yeah.
But eventually, na-realize namin na mag-install na lang ng sarili namin sa loob ng shop. So we were using yung 3 layers ng filter. So yun yung ginagamit namin. Nabibili lang yan sa mga hardware. So yun yung ginagamit namin before Aquali Pure.
Sir Carl, yun pala, kasi coffee is made up of 98%
Yes.
water. So can you definitely say the water that we use with our coffee is really very, kumbaga, important and it has something to do sa taste ng coffee natin?
Yes, definitely. Since 98% coffee natin is water, malaking factor siya. So the beans is just part of it. So if you have quality na beans na ginagamit but you don't have quality na water, it will eventually ruin yung taste ng coffee. So kailangan maganda rin yung quality ng water mo, enough yung minerals na meron doon, yung TDS or yung total dissolved solids ay enough din.
Yeah.
Yung alkalinity ng water is just right and based on standards, malaking factor siya dun sa eventually taste ng coffee. Which yung flavors naman, pwedeng aroma yan, pwedeng sweetness, acidity. Kailangan talaga natin ng tamang quality ng tubig para mapalabas natin yung totoong lasa ng coffee.
So going to the taste of coffee, Sir Carl, no? There are other coffee na maalat, there are also other coffee na mapait. Ano ba yung factors? What are the factors that contribute to the taste of coffee? Paano siya nagiging maalat? Or may time siya na nagiging papait siya?
So, yung maalat at mapait, ano na yan, flavor na coming from the extraction.
Yeah.
Kasi maraming flavor yung coffee that would come from where it's planted, yung environment nung coffee farm in itself. But when the coffee is already in the coffee shop, isang factor na doon would be yung water quality, kaya nagiging maalat siya. Tumataas kasi yung minerals doon sa filters. Hindi na nasasala nung filter yung mga minerals na hindi naman kailangan nung machines natin. So, pag ganun yung nangyari, since pataas yung minerals, maraming minerals yan. So, kasama na dyan yung salt. So, kaya nagkakaroon ng saltiness doon sa taste, specifically doon sa espresso. Whether sa espresso siya ginawa or even dun sa mga manual brewing methods, ganun din ang nangyayari.
Yeah.
Kaya siya nagiging maalat. At hindi lang yun yung nagiging problema natin. Yung hindi magandang quality would also affect our machines. So eventually, pag dumami na yung calcium deposits doon sa machines natin, and even yung mineral deposits, naapektuhan yung buong broiler, yung mga heating elements doon, naiipon doon yung mga solid na minerals.
Sir Carl, going into the coffee water filtration system, why did you choose a Qualipure?
Yeah, kasi we were looking for a water filtration system that would help us solve yung problem namin. Kasi before namin kayo nakita, nagkaroon kami ng problem dito sa machine. Dahil napansin ko, kahit bago siya, napansin ko doon sa water na lumalabas, parang mga grain of salt doon sa portafilter. So, sakto lang din na naghanap kami kasi sabi nung aming supplier, we have to check the water. Baka doon ang gagaling kasi eventually magbe-build up yun. So, we found you guys and natawa kami dahil we got into collaboration with you. So, nakita ko naman yung system nyo. Solution siya sa mga problems ng mga coffee shops kasi I also wanted to impart this to our students na merong solusyon para doon sa problem na pwedeng mag-arise eventually. Maganda yung system because may reverse osmosis siya. And what's good is meron yung remineralizer. After dumaan doon sa buong process ay nawawala syempre yung mga minerals because of the RO or the reverse of osmosis. Maganda na doon sa remineralizer is binabalik niya yung tamang minerals na kailangan lang ng coffee natin at safe para dun sa machines natin.
Of course, to explain to our viewers what RO is or reverse osmosis, we are able to produce purified water.
Yes.
So with after passing to the reverse osmosis. And that's why doon nalalabas yung mineralizer. Correct. So it adds mineral back to the water. And that's why we are able to meet the specification for coffee.
Yes.
Correct. The water for coffee. So, after installing the water system, Sir Carl, so ano yung napansin nyo? What are the results or how's the performance naman so far?
Siyempre, in-observe ko, we tried to at first compare yung output nung water with the taste of the coffee. Napansin ko na unti-unti na wala na yung nakikita kong parang mga salt-like, mga crystals doon sa output from the group head of the espresso machine. And then, syempre, yung taste. Mas napalabas nung water coming from the Qualipure system yung tamang lasa na ine-expect namin for the coffee that we have. So, even din yung mga students, syempre, napapansin nila yung kaibahan ng quality ng tubig. Kasi there are times that we let them taste different coffees Also, with different qualities of water. So, napapansin nila yung malayong kaibahan nung output of any brewing machine dun sa water that's coming from the Qualipure system.
And then, Sir Carl, going back to the mineral, you mentioned remineralizer. I heard before that you were trying mineral sachet before, so that you add to the water. So, can you tell us about that?
Nauso kasi sa specialty coffee, yung naglalagay ng mga mineral packets dun sa water na ginagamit nila. Kasi yung mineral packets na yun, you have to dilute it in the water that you will use para dun sa brewing nyo. So medyo matrabaho yun kasi merong ratio between the water and the mineral packets. So kailangan mo pa siyang timplahin bago mo siya gamitin. So, yun yung ginagawa nung mineral packets na yun. So, ang kaibahan dun sa meron ka ng system is nalilesen syempre yung oras mo in doing it. At syempre yung consistency nung minerals na kailangan mo for your coffee. Mas better siya syempre dun sa system na meron. At it lessens the burden and the time syempre for the coffee shop operators na magtitimpla pa ng mineral packets for the water. So, mas madali yung trabaho if you have the whole system. Tuloy-tuloy lang syempre yung pagtitimpla at pagsiserve ng coffee dun sa mga coffee shops.
Also, another question, Sir Carl. With the minerals that we measure sa water, no? You as the coffee mentor, so what do you think are the minerals that we should check or the specification sa water?
Yeah, maraming types of minerals kasi. Like, it will be very scientific if iisa-isahin natin sila. But most especially kasi yung hardness ng tubig, kailangan nating malaman. Ano yung hardness? Ito yung dami ng minerals na meron doon. If you are in Metro Manila, meron tayong provider ng water. Yung tap water natin, more or less safe na yon in a sense, compared dun sa province. Kaya magandang solusyon yung Qualipure kasi karamihan po sa province, yung water nila, hard water.
Yeah.
So, ang napapansin ko po, may mga pinupuntahan kaming mga provinces and if we would check yung mga espresso machines nila, yung mga technicians would always see na dami ng calcium deposits doon sa loob, na nabuo na sa loob ng machines. Yun yung iniiwasan natin, yung hardness. Like the system softens the water in a manner na yung tama lang yung level niya, even yung total dissolved solids and even yung alkalinity ng water, ino-normalize niya para at least tumagal yung machines natin. Sumarap syempre yung kape. So, yun kasi yung mga iniiwasan natin na mangyari eventually. Kasi parang nasa stop yung operations ng coffee shop. Kung eventually pinabayaan yun ng mga coffee shop owners na yun lang normal na water yung ginagamit nila. Instead na mas kumita pa sila ng maayos na hihinder yung operations nila eventually. And for those din na home brewer or you're a normal lang na brewer or you're a barista, very helpful din yung system na yun, ng Qualipure para magkaroon tayo ng maayos na tubig at ma-maximize natin yung potential ng coffee na ino-offer natin.
So, even in the coffee pala, Sir Carl, the pH, the alkalinity, the hardness,
Yes.
of course, the total dissolved solid are all important as well.
Yes.
Yeah, kasi in the water industry naman, of course, there are areas, for example, yun, as you mentioned, there are deep well, tap water, no? So there are different specifications or compositions of water. So with what you said, Sir Carl, yun, it will be able to help us understand more about water. Going back naman, Sir Carl, to the institute, no? So what are the workshops or what are the lessons or certificate courses that you offer here in the institute naman?
We have certifications, but ang focus talaga namin is yung Coffee Entrepreneurship Masterclass. That class has really helped po a lot of start-up ng mga coffee entrepreneurs all across the Philippines. We help them and guide them in setting up their own cafes. Whether it's a small cafe or it's a big cafe, the course is like it comprises of a whole system that they can use para mapatakbo ng mas maayos yung coffee shop nila. Langgaling yun lahat sa experiences namin when we were running our own business. We also have yung local na barista certifications for those who would like to get into employment, yung mga gusto magbarista, that they just need yung local certifications. We have an assessment also for that. We also have yung Italian IBC, yung Italian Barista Certification. It's an internationally recognized na certification. Kami po yung authorized ng Espresso Academy sa Italy na mag-handle nung classes na yon and mag-conduct nung certifications na yon. I also do roasting classes. I teach yung mga gustong matutong mag-roast ng coffee nila. Whether sa cafe setup or for their personal use. We also have trainings hindi lang dito sa Marikina. We usually go outside of Metro Manila. We have schedules until the end of the year. Pupunta kami sa mga major cities conducting our trainings. Kasi napansin namin, majority talaga ng students namin are really coming from the provinces. Bibihira lang minsan yung taga Metro Manila. So we are trying to syempre yung additional burden sa kanila of flying here.
Yeah.
So we would go to their cities para i-handle yung mga trainings na yun.
So, Sir Carl, if you want to start your own coffee shop, you need to take the coffee entrepreneurship.
Yes, yung CEM level 1.
Okay, and then if you also want naman more on the barista training,
Yes.
you should take.
Yung barista courses namin, yung local at saka yung international.
If you want to know more about coffee, you want to know more about how to start your own coffee shop, of course, with the Coffee Mentor, hopefully we'll be able to help us as well. And Sir Carl, sige, going naman to the business side or
Yes.
the coffee side. Ano yung mapapayo mo to those who want to start their own coffee shop or gusto pumasok sa coffee industry?
For those who are who want to open their own coffee shops, very important syempre to invest on your learning. Kasi I would always believe na isa to sa pinakamahirap na business, basic experience namin na patakbuhin. Kasi when we were starting, we just started with parang gut feel, not enough training. Kasi yung trainings namin eventually came after a few years na. Kaya nagkaroon kami ng maraming trial and error. Normal na nagkaroon ng mga losses ng pera, syempre. At eventually, we realized na very important po yung get into trainings, formal trainings, kasi malaking tulong po siya. Pangalawa, invest on good machines. Maraming options ngayon. You can go around with suppliers. Ang daming mga good options. There are also cheaper options. But I would always tell our students na it's really best to invest on your equipment dahil yan yung bumubuhay. Aside syempre from our customers, aside from our baristas, ang malaking factor would be you have good machines na tumatagal. And syempre, another thing would be invest on your water. Dati, hindi ako naniniwala dyan. But eventually, along the way, when I try to look into the quality of the water at natutunan namin na kailangan talaga na tignan yung quality ng water, mag-invest kayo sa magandang filtration system. And we really found one of the best na pwedeng makatulong sa atin kasi the whole system is madaling i-install. Pupuntahan lang para i-check kung ano yung scenario dun sa cafe nyo. At ang pinakamaganda doon, hindi lang ito tinatanggal lahat ng impurities sa water, ninonormalize yung tamang pH dun sa water or yung alkalinity. But also, pinakamaganda dun sa system ng Aqualipure is yung kanilang remineralizer. Yung binabalik yung tamang minerals na kailangan lang ng kape. At kailangan syempre at safe dun sa mga machines natin. Kasi kung titignan nyo po, sometimes people will think na parang ang laki namang investment yan para sa filtration system lang.
Yeah.
Pero in the long run, pagkukwentahin mo yung mangyayari dun sa machine mo, at the same time, yung quality ng coffee na pwedeng magpababa sa sales mo, mas malaki yung mawawala na pera sa'yo compared if you will invest in a good filtration system like what they have sa Aqualipure.
Sir Carl, thank you for that. Hopefully, we'll be able to learn more. Kindly invite our viewers to take or to visit this institute.
Alright, so I'm inviting all the viewers and the followers of Aqualipure. Look into our courses. Tingnan niyo po kung ano yung need na meron kayo. If you want to put up coffee shops, our institute is here to help you. If you want to be a certified barista, we have certifications. So I'm inviting you to check out our website, www.phcoffeeandbarista.institute. We also have Instagram, Facebook pages. We also have our TikTok and YouTube account. You can just view us there. Kung gusto niyo po mag-inquire, you can just message us and we can send you yung details ng mga courses po namin na available. We have regular classes here in Metro Manila. And we also have classes upcoming sa mga different cities around the country. And syempre, invite ko na rin yung mga coffee shop owners na mag-invest kayo sa water filtration system nyo. QualiPure has one of the best na systems that they can offer. They can customize kung ano yung kailangan nyo. They can even check out yung quality ng existing yung water sa lugar nyo para makapag-suggest sila ng system na best para sa inyo. Kasi marami silang ino-offer na pwedeng makatulong sa negosyo natin. Hindi lang syempre sa negosyo ng mga coffee shops but also even households and other businesses. So thank you so much, Renz, for this time.
So thank you, Sir Carl. No, for those who want to start their own coffee shop, who want to learn more about brewing coffee, so dyan punta lang tayo dito no, at Philippine Coffee and Barista Institute. So with our very special coffee mentor, Sir Carl Gallio. So thank you very much, sir. And yeah, we're looking forward to our next episode of Aqualito.